Welcome to this tutorial on how to generate content using AI and share it on Telegram automatically. Guys, with the increasing demand of online content consumption, it's essential to find a way to make the process of content generation easier and efficient. And artificial intelligence can help with that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Writesonic, which is an AI powered tool to generate the content, and how you can integrate Writesonic in an automation workflow to get the content generated automatically and getting it shared on Telegram with your users or your team or your community automatically. So we are going to set up this multi-step workflow without any coding, just by a few clicks. So stay with me till the end of this video and you'll learn everything. Let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste this same link in the description so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So we are giving the name here. Alright, so I have given the name auto generate content using Writesonic. After giving such names, click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this, and on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of our automation workflow. Here guys, trigger is going to trigger or start the workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. Okay, so here when you click on this trigger module, it asks to choose the application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So in our use case, we have a spreadsheet here which I have created in Google Sheets application, and in this spreadsheet I am adding the blog's title and the date of publishing. So I want to generate the blogs on these titles and I want to get it generated automatically using AI. Okay, so as I'm going to add a title here, that should trigger my workflow. Okay, so here in the trigger section we are going to connect with Google Sheets in which we have created the spreadsheet. Okay, then select the trigger event as new or updated row, and it will provide you this webhook URL. With the help of this, we are going to create a connection with our spreadsheet, and after that we are going to fetch the response of the connection. So you need to follow these steps written here to create this connection. You can just follow them. Let me show you directly how you can perform these steps. So first of all, I am going to open my spreadsheet in incognito window because I am using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are also doing that, it is better to open the spreadsheet in incognito mode so that you can properly create the connection. Okay. Here guys, you have to click on extensions, and from this add-ons menu, click on get add-ons. And from this Google Workspace Marketplace window, you have to install an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Okay, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install it here like I did. Okay, and it will just take 2 minutes. And after installing it, close this window and refresh the spreadsheet. That is an important step. Alright, and after refreshing the spreadsheet, when you click on extensions option again, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available here in the drop down. From here you have to open the initial setup. Under initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. Okay, and you will get these fields blank like this. Let me erase the previously pasted things. Okay, you will find the blank fields. Now what you have to do, you have to go back to your workflow and copy the webhook URL first. Okay, and as you click on copy, it will start showing waiting for the webhook connections response. Okay, so here go to the spreadsheet in the initial setup of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, paste the webhook URL here in this field like this. All right, and in the trigger column, mention the final data column of your spreadsheet. Final data column means here you can see we have column A and column B, and I am going to start entering the data from column A. First I'm going to enter the blog title, then I'll enter the date of publishing. So the final entry I'm doing here in any row is in the column B. Okay, so as I'm going to enter the data here, that is going to trigger our workflow. So column B is my trigger column. Your trigger column can change to C, D, E or F, okay, according to your data. So you have to mention the trigger column's name here in this field, like I am putting capital B. Okay. Then you will find this send test button here. You have to click on send test to send some data from your spreadsheet to your workflow's response, and that will act as a test data. So you can see in the workflow, it's still showing waiting for the response. Now it is time to send the test data. So let us send it by clicking on send test. Okay. Here I have clicked on send test and you can see test data sent successfully. So the first row will be sent as the test data, and now you can click on submit and you can see the configuration is configured. Now you can close this window and here click on extensions one more time, and you have to do one more thing here. From this Pabbly Connect webhooks menu, check this send on event option as well. So when you select send on event, with every new event, that means whenever you are going to add any new row, the workflow is going to trigger. Okay. Now let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured. And here you can see, guys, in the response, we got the data from our spreadsheet, which is the test data. So it is showing the spreadsheet's name. Okay. This is the same spreadsheet. You can see daily blog writing sheet. Okay. Here you can see the sheet's name, sheet 1, sheet ID, row index, and here you can see date of publishing. This was the header, and you can see the date is 18/3/2023, and blog title, how to lose belly fat. You can see this is the same title. So this is how you can capture the test data. Now guys, let's generate some content using an AI powered tool known as Writesonic. So here in this action step, search for Writesonic application. Then select the action event as ChatSonic. So ChatSonic exactly works like ChatGPT. Just select it and click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key of Writesonic. So with the help of APIs, we are going to create a connection with Writesonic to make a call. Okay. And you will get this key from the you can read from your Writesonic accounts dashboard. Let me show you directly. You can read the instructions here. This is Writesonic. Okay, and here on the on the right top right corner, you will find the profile icon. Click on it. Under your profile, you will find this API dashboard option. Click on that. Under API dashboard, you will find this Writesonic ChatSonic API option. You have to toggle this on first, and when you toggle this on, you will find this reveal API key button underneath here. Click on reveal key, and here's how the key will be generated. Copy the key, paste the key here, and click on save, and you will be connected with Writesonic. Okay, simple. And here it will ask for the input text. So in this input text, you have to provide a command or a prompt, just like you do in ChatGPT, to get things generated. So I want to write a blog, so I'm going to put a input text here. So I have given the input text as write a blog on, and here we have received the title in the test data in the first step. Okay, here is the title. So I'm going to map this blog title label here in this prompt only. So just click here, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will see the data right here. From here, map the blog title. Okay, so now the input text is like write a blog on how to lose belly fat in, let's say, 300 words. Okay, this is my input text. So if you want to include some Google results in your blog, you can enable this. If you do not want it, you can make it no. And after that, click on save and send test request button, and your blog will be generated in front of you in a few moments. And here you can see, guys, in the response received section, we got this message label, and here we got the generated blog. You can see Losing belly fat can be a daunting task, but it's not impossible. And here is the full blog, including points and conclusion. Okay, that's how you can get a blog generated. And now I want to send this blog in a message in Telegram to my group. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and here from another action step, search for Telegram option, Telegram bot. Okay, so our Telegram bot is going to deliver this message. So select the action event as send a text message or a reply. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the token of Telegram bot. So you need to generate a token by following the steps written here. It is really simple. Let me show you that. First of all, you have to open your Telegram application, and from the search bar you have to search for bot father, and you will find this blue tick bot father icon here, this one. Open this bot father icon, and here you have to type a message as slash new bot. Okay, so here we are creating a new bot here which is going to deliver our message. So it is, I have typed this new bot here, and here you can see it is showing all right, a new bot. So how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for a bot. So you can give any name to this bot. I am going to put here, the name I have given is blog post bot. Now you have to provide a unique username to your bot which must end in bot only. For example, Tetris bot or Tetris underscore bot. Let me just type here blog underscore post underscore bot. Okay, so this name is taken already. Let me just type another version. Alright, so you can see it has started showing congratulations on your new bot. You can find your bot here, and here is the access token for this bot. So you have to copy this token, guys. This whole token you have to copy. Okay, like this, and then you have to paste this token here in your workflow like this, and click on save, and here's how you will be connected to Telegram bot. Okay, now it is asking for the chat ID of the group in which you want to send the message. So I want to send the message here, let's say in this group named as new group 123. So you have to add the bot that you have created in this group as an admin, so that that bot can deliver your messages. Okay, so you can do it very easily using your smartphone. I cannot show you that on screen, but you can do it easily on your smartphone. So let me add the bot here. So you can see, guys, I have added the blog post bot here inside the group. And when you open the group, guys, in the top search bar, after this hashtag in the URL, you can see this string of numbers. So this is called the chat ID. You just have to copy this string of numbers with the dash sign like this and put it here in the chat ID field in your workflow. Okay, and then it will ask to about the text message that you want to send. So let me type a message here. So guys, I have typed this message for my team. Hello team, we just got a new blog generated by Writesonic. Please read it carefully and submit your reviews. And here I am going to map the blog title and the generated content. So here you just have to click, and from the first tab from the Google Sheets, you can map the blog title and the blog's content. Let me type blog content. You can map the blog content from the Writesonic step like this. Okay, now you can enable the notifications for this message. Yes, I want it. And if you have any link previews, you can make it yes or no, but right now we do not have any links, so I'm making it no. Now guys, by clicking on save and send test request button, you can send this message here in this group. Let me show you. And I'm clicking on save and send test request button. This is the response we got. Let us see in the group if we got a new message. And here you can see, guys, our bot blog post bot has delivered this message to my group like this. Okay. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to open this workflow. It will work whenever you are going to add any new row or any new title on your spreadsheet. It will start working and send this message for you. And you can use this workflow, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.